Hmm? Good day, everyone. You are welcome to our live stream for this week. And just before we go into the issue of the day, I will appreciate that you let me know where you are watching from and also the nature of your business. I will also appreciate that you share, you like, and in fact, ask questions. And if you are watching on YouTube, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you can be notified anytime we have a new video. That's done. Let's move to the issue of the day. Today, we want to talk about the vital role of small business owners in financial management. The vital role of small business owners in financial management. As trusted professionals to small business owners, we often encounter a common misconception, and that is once they've hired professionals like us to handle their accounting, bookkeeping, and other financial matters, they believe they can wash their hands of the responsibility to actively engage with their own financial data. This assumption couldn't be further from the truth and can potentially jeopardize the health of their businesses. Let's delve into why staying actively involved in understanding your financial is crucial for the success and security of your enterprise. Firstly, the presence of cash in the bank doesn't equate to profitability. It is very, very important for business owners to grasp the bigger picture beyond their bank balances. Without regularly reviewing financial statements like the profit or loss, that's the income statement, and balance sheet, otherwise known as statement of financial position, they risk missing vital insights into true financial health of their company. Moreover, in the absence of vigilant oversight, the unfortunate reality is that businesses become vulnerable to internal fraud. Having those difficult conversations with clients about their role in financial oversight is crucial. It starts with emphasizing that while professionals like us ensure accuracy in the books, ultimate accountability lies with the business owner. Here are some actionable steps small business owners should take to maintain control and security over their financials. Number one, verify reconciliations. Ensure that all bank statements are reconciled monthly. Unreconciled transaction could signal potential discrepancies or even fraud. As illustrated by a client who discovered unentered documents and unreconciled statements after parting ways with their accountants. That's number one. Number two is regular review of bank statements. Actively monitor bank and credit card statements, and in case of Nigeria debit card, for any irregularities or unauthorized charges. Neglecting this duty leaves businesses vulnerable to fraudulent activities by trusted staff, as seen in instances where accountants and bookkeepers exploited their access to steal funds unnoticed. Number 3, you need to understand the statement of your financial position, otherwise known as balance sheet. You need to understand the statement of financial position, otherwise known as balance sheet. Familiarize yourself with your statement of financial position to track loan balances, detect misclassified expenses, and ensure accuracy. Failure to comprehend these essential financial statements could result in mixed tax deductions or errors, as evidenced by cases where legitimate expenses were improperly categorized. Number 4, scrutinize shareholders' distributions. This particular point does not always apply to small businesses, because in most cases their shareholders and directors are the same. However, in medium enterprises where ownership and management is clearly defined, this is necessary. You need to review reports detailing shareholders' distributions or owners' draws to ensure correct postings and prevent misclassification of expenses. Failure to do so can lead to missed deductions and financial inaccuracies, as highlighted by instances where personal expenses were incorrectly posted as business related. And at this level, let's move to the final point, which is number 5. Monitor payroll reports. Stay vigilant against payroll fraud by scrutinizing payroll reports for any irregularities, such as unauthorized employees or unexplained bonuses. Advocating oversight in this area can lead to costly and unpleasant discoveries down the line. Our role as professionals is not just to handle the technical aspect of accounting and bookkeeping, but also to educate and empower business owners in understanding and managing their finances. We must emphasize that appointments to review financial reports should be treated as priority, not something to be postponed or cancelled lightly. Ultimately, by actually engaging with their financials, small business owners safeguard their enterprises against potential risks and ensure long-term success. Before wrapping up, I want to remind you once more that you please share, like this video, and ask questions. We will surely respond. Also, I will want to know where you are watching from and the nature of your business. Don't forget, if you are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you can be notified of our next video. Let me just wrap up this way. The responsibility for understanding and overseeing financial matters cannot be outsourced entirely to professionals. Small business owners must actually participate in financial oversight to protect their interests and ensure the prosperity of their ventures. By staying informed and engaged, they empower themselves to make informed decisions and mitigate or reduce risk effectively. Until I come your way again next week, my name still Jeta Opopola. God bless.